go visit with Pippa over here. Hey, Littles.
Littles, sit. Good girl. What a good girl. What a good girl you are.
Why are you still here? Really? You do down? Let's
Can you
lay
do
down.
down, Littles? No. Now you gotta get out of your sit. Sit. Down. Down.
Not yet, huh?
No, I guess not.
Haven't learned that one yet.
Boy, does that sit. She's a good girl. She's a good girl.
This is Littles, which we are also calling Pippa.
You sit.
You'll see her on Adopt-A-Pet as Pippa.
Sit.